Okay, here we are for lesson 4 on our scarecrow. We just finished drawing our scarecrow. Now we're going to add the foreground, middle ground, and background lines. Our scarecrow is the biggest part. Scarecrow is in the foreground, so we're going to make a foreground line, and it's going to come down, pass through here. There's the foreground. The middle ground is behind, and it's going to start here and end up over here, and then the background line. And as things go towards the background, they get smaller and smaller. In the background line, we're going to use, this is a farmer's field, so we're going to be using diagonal lines to represent one of the farmer's fields. And then in the middle ground, we're going to use, oh, this is still background. We're going to use diagonal lines going the other way. And then in the foreground, we're going to add some pumpkins. And I'm going to add maybe 3 or 4 pumpkins, depending on how big I make them. And you want to make these pumpkins kind of big because they're right up front with the scarecrow. I'm going to make the stems of the pumpkin, and I'm going to use curved lines here, same over here. So the last thing I'm going to add in this video is maybe the sun, and maybe it's going to be a cloudy day, so I'll have a cloud and the sun peeking out behind. Okay. If there's anything else you can think of, you can certainly add it to your scarecrow portrait, but I think mine is done. I'll see you in our next lesson.